Some people wear gloves going to work, shopping, and while using public transport. Hospital staff will wear gloves before touching a patient and discard them before moving on to another task. People could wear the same set of gloves for the whole day. They are touching everything, including their faces, without realizing how dangerous this is. Here are some do's and don'ts when wearing gloves. Here are some of the do's. Wear the correct type of gloves and make sure that they fit properly to reduce the risk of contamination, exposure to other fluids and hazardous materials, and transmission of infections. Wash hands before putting on gloves and after taking them off. Make sure you don't have any jewelry when you wear the gloves. Change gloves between every task. And follow the facility's policy on gloves, whether be at the hospital, in the workplace, or while commuting. And here are some of the don'ts. Don't reuse or wash gloves, except for utility gloves that must be properly cleaned. Don't use damaged or visibly soiled gloves. Don't touch your face when wearing gloves. Don't wear the same pair of gloves when attending to different tasks. If you're wondering how to properly remove your gloves, here are some guidelines to help you. When you take off your gloves, make sure the outsides of the gloves do not touch your bare hands. Follow these steps. Grab the top of your right glove with your left hand. Pull toward your fingertips. The glove will turn inside out. Hold onto the empty glove with your left hand. Put 2 right-hand fingers in the top of your left glove. Pull toward your fingertips until you have pulled the glove inside out and off your hand. The right glove will be inside the left glove. Now, dispose the gloves. As we move into an era of protection gear, it is important to try and not reuse PPEs. And if you do have to reuse, remove them carefully and place them in soapy water and wash them. Do not let them touch your other clothes or your bare skin. For News on Africa on Channel 405, I'm Masechaba Dlamini in Johannesburg.